number of years ago, which I'm sure you remember.
I do. I remember that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, the Jeff Richard show.
Oh,
Complete disaster.
I can tell you, I don't know either. But listen,
Yeah.
listen, you're also a psychic, right? You're a psychic. Tell me to what degree that
Dude.
Jamie, how you doing, buddy?
Um,
Sure, the family.
It's either been a week or it's been
Oh, here we go.
Make a funny face,
right.
and I'm gonna hold it, and then you.
no.
Or do you?
No, usually what happens is when I make oatmeal, right? I make
About your hair, I mean, does it have a life of its own, or what is it?
I was about to say that. I
wanted to give you props. That was a long time ago. You would
No, it was an
remember that?
an honor.
I think that's why I'm now doing shows like this.
I can speak on, the theoretical aspect of music. And
You ready to?
No.
boy, killing it, boy, killing it.